unboxing my direct shipping. Alright guys, one thing, I'm just gonna let you guys know. So look at that. All of these boxes here, these are all free. It's direct shipping. That means it's free. I sign up for this, and every month I get something free from mail. So this one is from last week, I think this one, and this one is this week. So here we go. Are you guys ready? Before I'm opening my mga boxes ko, yan, before ko i-open mga boxes ko, if you guys are interested to know about direct shipping, just let me know. Comment down there so I can add you. If you guys have a Facebook, let me know so ma-add ko kayo sa aking group. So you guys can get free product every month. Alright? So the first thing is, this is the smallest one that I get from direct shipping. So let's see. Guys, everything that I receive, I don't know what, they just send me random products. So pinapadala nila yung mga product when they are siguro sabihin na lang natin na over na sila ng products na over tawag nito, nakawala na silang parang sobra-sobra na yung product na, or yung mga product na hindi sell. That's where they're selling. Alright, this is the first one, which is a I don't know what is this. Filter. I think it's a filter or what. I don't know. Filter or what. Say anything.
It's for things. It's for that.
A filter. I don't know what's that for. There's no description.
Why did they give you that?
I don't know.
I
I
don't
think
know.
this is for coffee. I don't know if it's for coffee. I don't know, but
Yep. I found one.
alright, that's the first one.
For the
The
coffee.
first one. Here we go with the next box. So guys, just letting you guys know, if you guys interested, I'm just letting you guys know, if you guys interested to know about direct shipping or free products, let me know. Comment down there, and I'm gonna help you guys how to do, like receiving free products. But I think this is only for part of US. I think they do it in England too. Somewhere in Hong Kong, Japan, I think they do that too. So let me know, guys, if you guys interested to learn about the direct shipping. Then I'll hook you up on my Facebook. There you go. So we're gonna open the next one. These come from, I think this is for my husband. Alright, that's for my husband. So this is mine. When you see my name, that means it's direct shipping. Alright? If it's in my name, so it comes from Ben Leon. Oh, this is a nice one. Let's get that. It's a smart LED. It's like you put in the wall or in the TV. So it looks like this. Alright, so this is our second product that we received. Second. So I have to get the second product. I'm gonna put this down. We're gonna open this plastic one. This comes from, I didn't say anything, but let's see. Ooh, it's a toy. It's a toy. It's a toy. It's a toy. the toy. Like, you do it for the sand.
For the beach?
Uh-huh. There you go.
Why did they give it to us? That's so free.
That's free. This was, it says it's just still in Amazon. So, alright. So, meron tayong laruan ng bata. This one is, did they just send me a random product? I don't know if I can use it. This one is,
An iPhone?
it says an iPhone 7.
I knew it.
iPhone 7.
I knew it.
iPhone 7. Case. It's a case. iPhone case. I have iPhone 11. It won't fit in my phone. I told you they just send me random products that I don't even needed. So this is iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 case. Alright? And then there's another one which is, oh wow! They sent me earbuds. Earbuds.
We need 3?
Earbuds. So this is a
Whoa. That's a black one? No, that's
alright, this is like a chargeable thing.
wait, what was that black one?
Look at that. That's nice.
Really?
Those are free products.
Can I see?
It's an earbuds.
Can I see?
Alright, it's cool, right?
Can I see?
You get the earbuds, alright? And this is the third box. This is what we get from the third box. So I got an iPhone 8, 7, or it's like you can use it for iPhone 7, iPhone 8 case. It's a case. Okay, I don't have an iPhone 8 or i7, so they just send me a random product. And this is earbuds. This, you know, I like earbuds. I always use earbuds. But this is black and smaller. So that's the third box. Okay, good. Not that bad. All right, the next one is. All right, we only have 3 left. Okay, so we got here a. Oh, cool! I think this is for my dog. Look at that. It's a poop bag. You see that? Poop bags. There's like 240 bags in here. Oh my god, see? Look at that. They sent me something that I can use. Thank you, direct shipping. I really appreciate that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 boxes. So this one is this is the other side. Alright, I don't know what's inside, but it's heavy. It's heavy. Pretty heavy. Sometimes I don't really expect them to send me something that's unusual, but ooh, this is nice. Portable. Alright, this is so funny. They sent me a portable diaper. I don't have a baby. Alright, they sent me a portable diaper pad. Look at that. The portable diaper changing pad. Can you see it? So there's more inside. It's a transparent furniture corner edge protector. It's for the baby. For the baby also. I don't have a baby. They sent me something for the baby. So this one is used when you put in the edge of the table. Nag-i-English ako. Yung nalagay natin sa table para yung mga bata, para hindi makantog. Ayun. This is the one that you're putting in the edge. Para hindi sila masaktan. Ganun. Ayan. For babies. And then the other one is what? They sent me this one. pusil. Listen to that. Is that weird, right? Listen to this. There you go. That's dirty. Alright, put this back. Alright, you put that back because I don't know what is that for. That's for baby and for adult. Okay, would be my, that's 5. This would be my 6 boxes. See, it's random lang. Random ang pinapadala nila sa akin. Oh, this is one is good. Okay, you're gonna like this. You're gonna like this. This is like most women would love this. Okay, I got a facial cleansing brush. Wow, I need this. I need this. So the product color is pink. So that's what I'm getting. Not white. It's pink. Wow. Look at that. That's free. That's direct shipping. Okay. I didn't order that. And this one. Oh, I got another one. Wow. Smart LED street light. Can you believe that they sent me again? I got 2 already. This one is small and this one is big. Look. I got one. Wow. Thank you, Direct Shipping. Thank you so much. Salamat po. And then this one. Oh, again, they sent me a wig. Baka alam nila nahilig ako sa wig. Hindi lang nila ako ng wig. Ayan. Pinadala na naman ako ng wig. Alright. Bakit kaya ako pinapadala ng wig? Nakakatuwa. May wig na naman ako. Sabi dito, straight down siya. Tapos may kasamang wig cap. There you go, guys. I got my free direct shipping. My free product from direct shipping. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys are interested to learn about direct shipping and free products, no money coming out in your pocket. It's all free. So this is all I got. I love this. It's the one I can use this. And my husband is looking for this. This one he want me to buy, but I said I have that before, but I installed it from my friend because I think they use it to their TV. Because you can put it in the back of your TV. It's like more like 3D. Grabing English! Oy! Ayan, sige po. Maraming pong salamat. If you guys are interested to learn about direct shipping, please connect to me in my Facebook, which is Amor Mampusi Bodin. Ilalagay ko po sa video ko para mabisita niyo po ako if you guys interested to get a free product from Amazon. Direct shipping po, walang lalabas na pera sa inyong mga bulsa. Thank you for watching. Don't forget po to like, share, and subscribe. This is the Bodin Family signing out.
Sorry, it's DJ.